Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, August 3, it's 8:34 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's do the morning call. I was simulate some structure for today. Anyway, let's talk about what I wrote to you guys yesterday regarding the data analysis, right? I hope you guys start to enjoy, the new format that I have been presenting to Windows Word, Microsoft Word. So I can put the print screen, try to explain, more, basically, so it's getting more easy to understand. That's what I thought. Let me know if you guys like or not. So per delta didn't show us the direction at all yesterday, right? Neutral 14, weakness below 1140, and straight above 1660. Remember that yesterday at 2:36, the dealers start to set up, the structure for today. So, in my vision, in my analysis, maximum upside target, oops, sorry, maximum upside target, 4,525, breaking 37.54, and the downside I was looking for 4,492.94, because you guys know I already put everything explain this in this paragraph, right? And you guys observe that the shadow flow didn't log too much thing, but the biggest order that the shadow flow logs was the 4,500 strike 261K premium, break even 4,491.30. That match with my math, that according to the spread that I saw printing yesterday at 2:36 p.m. Eastern Time, right? I also highlighted the spreads in this document. They sold 4,525. They start to sell 4,525 at 12.54, and consequently they start to buy 4,550 puts. Basically, they receive 40 cents to buy hedge, right? That's how we play options. We never put our money, we use market money. This is how good CTAs do. This is how dealers do also. Only retail buy naked calls or buy naked puts. 99.9% of the retail losing money trading options, right? So we were able to realize what they are doing. They are hedging themselves, selling 4,525. Consequently, what I told you guys here, my maximum upside 25. Of course, the first level of resistance 4,515 per the option book, and we only see put call rate bullish above 4,580, right? But we get bearish put call rate again at 4,509, 4,600 is always the key, right? Is always the key level. If you lose 4,509, as I put over here, could you hold the market? 4,509, 4,492? I don't disregard a back test at 4,555, 4,560, okay? That's totally reasonable to see a back test in that region, okay? So as soon as you start to trade below 4,500, you became a huge resistance, because the put call rate in that level is also bearish. Okay, I put everything in this document. In my point of view, everything really well explained. But if you guys have doubt, let me know. Okay. Yesterday I explained you guys regarding for basically using the 12 hours graph. Explain you guys the levels, especially ES intraday levels 4,540, 4,538 in 38.5 if I'm not wrong, right? I made a video to you guys. Let me see, that's getting really slow when I do when I use the OBS to share my screen to do the morning call. So I explain you guys, that situation, the EMA 8, the April pivot, consequently support at 41, and the 38.2 is the EMA 15 12 hours graphic, right? No, anyway, it's really slow, so I don't wanna, you know. Okay, let's see. It's a little bit, this is not 12 hours. But anyway, in the 12 hours graph, the EMA 50 that have been serving as a support, uh, is still holding the market, and you see a rally as soon as you backtest there. But remember that in the lunchtime video, I show you that the first time is a red volume candle back testing that, and not a volume green candle. So the setup was to lose the EMA 15 12 hours graph and start to see a reversal, right? And so far we lost the level. Now we are trending below 38.41 range. And I also explain you guys how the pivot is being built in a graphic based XPX. I saw people said, "Oh, I wait for the pivot." What pivot? Pivot is already there because you will lose 4,540, and then you see a confirmation of this pivot. Before wasn't, because the market was trading inside the candle. We call inside candle trade. So the pivot wasn't confirmed. So what market tended to do right now per graphic? Every pullback, back test 4,440, be rejected and start to go down again. Observe the EMAs. Is everything pointing south for the first time since December, right? For the first time since December. MACD is already with a bearish enlace. The ADX and the ICE, it's already, setting up, it's almost, in the eminence to give a sell sign. And the tricks, as I told you guys, already lost the angle. Show more consolidation. When you show consolidation in the tricks, is because the pivot is information. I cannot tell that the pivot is 100% formed because we never back test 4,540 again. Of course, if you start to go down, it's already confirmed. As I told you guys yesterday, we are in a process to 4,506 will be the major resistance and possibility to be the top of the year or maybe the top of the market. Okay? But anyway, the importance of the levels for you guys today that I already provided in the Word document. I really want to highlight it again. I'm seeing a lot of people just buy stocks long run. I don't blame nobody. But the premium nowadays is a fixed income. I hope you guys understand that. Rates is going higher, right? So pay attention in fixed income. That's something it's hard to understand and hard to play too. The easy one is to play stocks because you sell and buy, right? You sell and buy. To understand BPS, to understand the process to raise rates, to cut rates, economic perspective, spreads is kind of a little bit more difficult. Okay, consequently, retail doesn't play that, right? Retail just buy things. So, but I want to highlight, the test that I sent to you guys 2 days ago. I can tell you, I'm in this red bolt. I'm not in the green bolt. I'm not telling you that I'm correct. I highlight to you guys, I don't have crystal ball. But the scenario tend to be the red bolt, not the green bolt. means why I will play stocks, real estate in those levels. Dealers buy bottom. Dealers sell tops. Companies is not delivering the results as people expected. They are burning cash. They are cutting people. They are cutting resource. When I say resource, means more like technology, server switches, because I'm from the technology space. I'm working at a telecom company, the biggest telecom company in the world. We are cutting devices in 50%. Our customers are cutting data centers in 50%. What this means? Instead of to have 4 data centers, they you keep only 2, and they you sell 2, or they you decon 2, because a lot of people is not willing to buy data centers. Means money is not flow to commodities. Technology is 100% commodities. Copper, iron ore, gold, silver. This is all the commodities that have inside of any technology device. Router, switch, servers, mobile phones, computers, and etc. Because that, I'm not a guy that's looking for money flowing to commodities as everybody's looking for. Okay? Doesn't mean that I'm right. Okay? But I'm in this boat, not in that boat. I'm seeing even in the open group that majority is in this group, because the majority is keeping buying equities, right? So majority is in this boat. Nobody knows who is right and who is wrong, but my math doesn't match with this boat, because the price is in a bubble. The PE is really higher, and as I explained during this presentation, during this video, doesn't make sense to buy equity, since we have much more premium in fixed income, right? Remember, the squeeze in bonds and dollars is really painful. It's really painful. Anyway, guys, let's stop for here. This is the morning call. Enjoy your days. Enjoy your day. Pay attention to the level. I'm looking for 4,490. Supposed to behold the market. If you not, I will not be scared if you backtest 4,406 today. Maximum upside 4,425. First level of resistance 4,415. Take care.